have you ever wondered if you could turn back the clock on your vitality and sexual health, even if you're over 60? If you've experienced a decline in erections, less sensitivity, or a waning desire, you're not alone. What's going on isn't just a natural part of aging. It's your body sounding an alarm, needing urgent attention. In the video we're discussing today, you'll discover how everyday items found right in your home, castor oil and baking soda, can be the keys to unlocking renewed vigor and confidence. Stick with us to learn how this simple blend can boost your blood flow, reduce inflammation, and help reclaim parts of your vitality you thought were lost. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe so you get all the insights you need. If you're a man over 60, the decline in your erectile function and sensation is a message from your body. It's not a defeat, it's a call to action. Many mistakenly attribute these changes solely to aging, but there's much more at play. Imagine this: every time you feel that pressure or hint of loss, it signals that your blood flow needs attention, your tissues may be inflamed, and your entire nervous system might be pulling back. Listening to this message could lead to the exciting restoration of what felt unreachable. Now, picture a lively spark returning to your life. How does that feel? Yes, real change starts with awareness. It's crucial to explore the underlying factors contributing to your vitality's decline. Dietary choices, sedentary lifestyles, and even emotional well-being can significantly impact how you function. Think about how bringing more movement into your daily routine, whether through simple stretches or pleasurable walks, can enhance circulation and invigorate energy levels. And mind you, it isn't just physical. Embracing social connections can ignite motivation and positivity, creating a revenue stream of energy and joy that may prop up your health. Moreover, if you've considered supplements, feel free to explore options. Natural options like L-arginine and ginseng, shown in studies to assist with blood flow enhancement. However, approach transitions gradually. Each addition should be listened to and welcomed by your body, ensuring harmony rather than turmoil. Here's an even more exciting notion: body awareness can extend beyond physical health. Engaging in practices such as mindfulness or meditation can be transformative, growing your bond with self-worth and reducing anxieties surrounding sexual health. Could these moments of silence clear a path for inner peace, thereby unlocking potent energies within you? As we mesh lifestyle changes with mindful choices, think of self-exploration as an empowering phase, a journey toward embracing a radiant future. Age sets the stage for wisdom, adventures, and unlimited potential. What steps will you take to translate insights into action? Stick with us as we unveil ways for you to enrich not only your physical realm, but also the emotional and spiritual components that contribute beautifully to your health. Each small choice reinforces your vibrant vitality, all leading to deep-seated happiness that feels fantastic. Don't miss the next part, where we dive into unlocking even more aspects of this enriching experience that promises to rejuvenate what age may have dimmed. Let's dive into an unassuming yet powerful ally, castor oil. At first glance, it may seem outdated or an odd choice for men's health, yet its potency surprises even those who are skeptical. Distinct from other oils, castor oil penetrates deeply into tissues and blood vessels, ushering in a wave of healing properties. When applied to specific areas, it actively invites health by stimulating blood circulation right where it's needed, paving the way for reconnecting with lost sensations. But what if I told you that its benefits extend far beyond the surface? Recent studies have revealed castor oil's potency in combating inflammation and soothing aching muscles, making it an exceptional partner not just for intimacy, but for overall well-being, especially as we age. Imagine unlocking its full potential with just a little knowledge and the right approach. Ever heard of the castor oil pack therapy? This is a time-honored method where a cloth soaked in warmed castor oil is applied to the abdomen, allowing the oils to penetrate even deeper. This therapeutic technique enhances not just circulation, but can also aid digestion and boost your immune function. You'll be amazed at how such a simple act can translate into a cascade of benefits. Imagine shedding layers of fatigue and tension. Now, don't overlook the simple act of massaging castor oil into your routine. With warm oil, engaging in gentle massage could create a twofold benefit: relaxation for your mind and a very pronounced benefit for your body. Fostering circulation works to encourage healthier nerve function and open up the channels necessary for vitality, potentially affecting how you feel in the most personal ways. Curious about combinations? When paired with potent essential oils such as rosemary or peppermint, castor oil becomes a flurry of invigorating sensations. These oils can amplify blood flow even further, meaning your body receives dual support with the added delightful fragrances lifting your mood too. Let's not forget how easily this oil can fit into your life. Whether as part of a weekly health ritual or even during lonely evenings, embracing castor oil can become a loving tradition, rekindling connection with yourself. Imagine standing in the mirror, touching the places that perhaps once felt awakening might become your new normal. Close your eyes, breathe deeply, and visualize wounds closing and energy flowing, all thanks to the decision you made today to nurture yourself with this extraordinary substance. Why settle for accepting your experiences as mere aging when there's a treasure waiting right at your fingertips? Expand your exploration with castor oil, and perhaps each day will shed old layers, unveiling rediscovery on the path to revitalization. So stay tuned as we unravel more tips that will make every moment just as impactful. Trust me, you won't want to experience just a fraction of what's possible. You'll want to feel every little bit. But while castor oil is incredibly beneficial, it's only part of the solution. Enter baking soda, the unsung hero in this remedy. Not simply for your kitchen baking, this simple ingredient can soften hardened tissues that obstruct the natural flow of blood and sensation in pivotal areas. By gently neutralizing acids that accumulate within the pelvic tissues, baking soda acts as a clearing agent, restoring your body to a more vibrant state. Mix it with warmed castor oil and apply it, allowing your body to breathe freely again, fostering feelings that may have long been dormant. When embarking on this journey of healing, the right application method can amplify your efforts. Prepare an environment that invites calm and presence. This isn't just about applying a mix, but honoring a part of yourself that may have been overlooked. Combine a tablespoon of castor oil with a pinch of baking soda, then gently warm the mixture. Apply it slowly using caring, circular motions. This process builds a bridge back to yourself and signals that you're ready for a recharge. To deepen your approach, there are 3 pressure points worth exploring, which can further enhance blood flow and reawakening of sensation. These vital areas correspond to larger circuits of energy and circulation. Simply applying gentle pressure at spots such as your inner thighs or around your wrists for a minute can make a world of difference, allowing your body to thrive while developing techniques for anger and stress relief. What you consume after applying the blend is equally crucial, as it can either lock in the benefits or create setbacks. Think of it this way. After opening up your body and letting the good stuff in, it is vital to fuel it appropriately. Swapping out the usual suspects, processed foods and heavy sugars, for nutrient-packed whole foods creates an environment for optimal healing. Simply introducing items like fresh greens or dark chocolate can harness nature's power, energizing your body instead of weighing it down. Lastly, ponder this vital aspect: your mindset during this healing phase. Many men find themselves in the grip of negative beliefs, questioning their worth when faced with physical changes. Understand that you are not a stuck body, you are awaiting transformation. Simple affirmations and reunions with self-worth can shift perspectives dramatically, fostering an environment where growth can thrive. As changes begin to take root physically, illuminate your path by vocalizing intentions and acknowledging your value. This knowledge isn't just advice, it's something that can drive real change in your life. Embracing small, ritualistic habits can lead to significant transformations, proving that age has far more advantageous possibilities than presumed. With insight, awareness, and deliberate action, you possess the power to turn the vitality in your favor, sparking a new chapter filled with life and purpose. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found this information valuable. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more insights and tips related to your health and well-being. The key to restoration lies within. Now is your chance to unlock a future you once thought was lost.